All right, so for practice now, you have to complete the ratio table using the plotted points on the graph. So all that is determining what's your x, what's your y, and completing this chart that is over here. Okay, so we're looking here. We know our x is our horizontal line. Okay, we know that our line for x goes from left to right. So our x always goes from left to right. We also know that our y goes vertically. Our y goes up and down. So our y goes up and down, and our x goes left to right. So if our x is our number of books, so that's the bottom number. So wherever there's a dot that lines up with what number of our x, that's the number of books. So this first red dot, it lines up with the 2. So our 2 is our number of books. And then if we go to the 6, that's our y. That lines up with the red dot as well. So our 6 is our cost in dollars. So we go to our next dot. If I put my finger on that dot, which right now my finger's on the dot, if I go down, the number that's on the x is 4. And then the number, if I'm still on the dot, if I were to go to the line for the y, would be 12. Going to my next dot, my finger is on the dot. If I go down, 6 is my x. My finger is on the dot. If I go across, 18 is my y. Next dot, put my finger there. If I go down, I get 8. If I go across, I get 24. Next dot. If I go down on my x, I have 10. If I go across my y, I have 30. So now all you have to do is place in the ordered pairs. So you have 2, 6, 4, 12, 6, 18, because your number of books is your x and your cost of dollars is your y. You know, ordered pairs is an xy. Then you have 8, 24, and then you have 10, 30. So you have your x, your y, and your ordered pair is always an x, y.